Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right tools: Fabric or Forge, a compatible shader loader, and a shader or mod that supports motion blur. Once done, place the Shatterpack or mod file into the Mods or Shatterpacks folder and verify Minecraft's version matches the mod. Make sure to back up your world and settings before launching. You want minimal conflicts. Check mod loader logs for errors. If a conflicting optimization mod exists, disable it temporarily to proceed cleanly. You now open the shader options and select the motion blur-enabled Shatterpack. Once selected, adjust intensity and sample count. Higher samples yield smoother blur but cost frames. Make sure to tweak quality presets and performance toggles to fit your GPU. You should also change FOV and interpolation settings to affect how pronounced the blur looks during movement. Test by walking and rotating the camera. Observe artifacts and dial down settings if shimmering or ghosting appears. You finish by testing motion blur in multiple scenarios: sprinting, flying, and driving to confirm consistency. Once done, optimize performance by lowering sample count or enabling VSync if you notice stutter. Make sure to cap your FPS to reduce tearing that can confuse blur effects. If the shader fails to load or causes graphical errors, update your drivers, check mod compatibility, and remove conflicting mods. One key tip: roll back to the last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.